Tasty Treats Peanut Butter Rice Krispies. First, take the pan that's provided and lightly coat it with non-stick cooking spray. On your stove over low heat, add both of the packages of to-go peanut butter. After the peanut butter, add both sticks of honey. Each stick of honey equals 1 teaspoon. Once you've added the honey, add a pinch or a sprinkle of salt. Mix everything together well. Mixing it together should take about 2 minutes. You want the peanut butter to be the consistency of thick syrup. Remove from heat and add 1 cup of Rice Krispie cereal. Stir together until the Rice Krispie cereal is fully coated with your peanut butter mixture. Once everything is coated, add it to the pan that you set aside earlier. After you have all of your coated Rice Krispie treats in the pan, pat them down so they will all stick together nicely. Once you have everything patted down, set aside the pan. In a microwavable container, add your chocolate chips and microwave for about 30 seconds, stir, and then microwave again for 20 seconds or until the chocolate chips are melted. Once they're melted, spoon them over your Rice Krispie treats. Smooth them out so everything is coated in a nice even layer. Once you have it smoothed out and everything's coated, put it in the refrigerator for a few hours. Then enjoy!